Day 15, as promised, we finished this job on time and on budget. So what we've produced here, we've produced a 5.7 metre by 3 metre deep garden office with attached store. Previously there was a shed which we've took down. There was loads of ivy, some bamboo. We've got rid of all that. We've reinstated some flags so that it looked like it was paved always. So I'll give you a little walk around and we'll explain what we've done. This part here, originally it was going to square off there, but the customer wanted to retain some of the light to her living room there. So what we've done then, we've created an angle like that, so she's still got full light going through the living room. This room here is the store. We've put in a letterbox window there. We've matched the windows to the windows of the house here. We've put a night light there with a PIR on it, so when he comes out to use his store, that'll come on and give him light. We've also clad a door, a cedar clad door. Now there's a lot of people on the internet doing these and they're not doing them right. They're making a gate basically. What we've got a fire rated door, 44mm thick. We've clad it with cedar, we've lipped it with cedar. You've got a 65mm solid core door there which you're not going to break into. We've also fit a nice deadlock there. I'll show you inside here now. So this is the store. As with all our jobs, we always go the extra mile. I mean, you're not going to get a better shed than this in your life. It's got laminate flooring, it's got skirting, it's got a nice strip light. Here we've got a fully tested and certified fuse board, which gives us all the breakers to the room. Like I say, we've got a strip light, letterbox window. We've clad in OSB so that you can fix stuff to the wall. We've got a socket point there for his outside garden lights. We've also fit a Cat 5 lead there for future, in case he needs to run a Cat 5 to his office. That runs round to the office. We've painted this side of the door. Nice, solid, lockable door there. We've put a fresh old strip on it. We've also fit an IP rated double outside socket there, giving power there for his garden appliances. Here we've run the power from the house in a 10mm steel wired armoured core cable. And if you can just see down here, I can just fit down. So what we've done here, we've put a gutter and fall pipe down on there. We've clad in feather edge treated boards there. And then we've put some limestone down to finish the bottom there. You can see this is how tight realistically we need to work so that we can still get into fix. So that's the back basically. Nice corner detail there on the beads as well. You see the detail we've done on the top. The soffit and fascia are all clad in cedar. It's been treated with a UV stabiliser which will help keep its colour over the years. So if you come around here then, we've got a full height floor to ceiling window there, again matching the house window. We've got an overhang canopy there with LED fire rated downlights in. We've got French doors, again same colour as the house. Everything's in aluminium, high quality, superior locking systems on these. We've also fit a corner profile window so that the light continues straight through the building from the long floor to ceiling window all the way through to this corner profile window. Up there we have got 2 photo cells. One controls the garden lights, which they'll come on at dark, and also these canopy lights will come on when it gets dark as well to illuminate the area. This is all clad in Western grade cedar. Again, UV treated to stop it fading. We've put some stones around there as well to tidy it up and make it look nice. So if you come inside, I'll show you what the deal is inside as well. We've fit a laminate floor. It's fully plastered out, it's fully insulated, it's nice and warm in here. We've given it a couple of coats of white as a goodwill gesture for the customer so that she can get a decorator in and finish it herself. It's almost finished. We've got architraves, we've got windowsills, everything's all ready for paint. Beautiful, pristine finish that we always provide on our jobs. The ceiling lights are in, there's 8 of them, they're fire rated. Again, everything on this job is certified by a qualified electrician and get certificates to prove that. There's a corner detail window there. Here he'll have his desk where he'll work from, and over here is his corner sofa. Sit in the corner there, we've got a socket each side. So, and up there we've got a TV point because we've put TV on the wall, and this is our digital heater there, set at 21 degrees. It's nice and warm in here now. There's a timer on that, so you can set it before, if you're coming to work, you can set it 20 minutes before you get in. It'll be nice and warm when you get in, and then to turn off when you go home as well. Obviously light switch to control all the lights. So As I said before, we are the best in the market. You're not going to get a better build. Everything is absolutely pristinely done. You're not going to come in and find a fault on any of these jobs. I've been looking at other people's on the internet. I've been looking closely. The way they're building it, it's not up to standard. It's not going to last. These will last you a lifetime. These will see you out completely. So if you want one of these and you want us to build it, then you're not going to get a better job anywhere in this country. Give me an email, drop me a text or anything like that, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.